Do you know you can make money online by selling domains? Yes, you can. It's one of the easiest way to make money online. And the best part is, you can make money by following only a few simple steps. In this video, we'll be sharing the complete method of how you can earn dollars by domain flipping. This video is specially dedicated to beginners who have no idea what it is, so by the end of this video, they'll understand the whole process properly. Before we jump into the method of how to do domain flipping, let us tell you what domain flipping is. Domain flipping is purchasing a domain name at the lowest possible price and then selling it. After purchasing the domain, we do not have to do anything but sell it to someone else at a price higher than it originally purchased. So let's say you purchase a domain for $5, but you'll sell it for $70. In this case, you'll gain a high profit. When this rule is followed at a proper scale, a good domain flipping business can be established, which can be profitable and become a good source of income. So it can be a side business that can be done anywhere, requiring only internet connection. Some domain flippers have sold these domain names at a rate of millions of dollars. For beginners, flipping is a great way to make money online because it doesn't require expensive upfront costs. To get started, you don't have to build a huge audience, so you don't need a huge following on either Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube. You can get started today with just a small, tiny investment. When you want to get started with domain flipping, the first and foremost thing that you need is to find domains that are expired and that you can potentially buy to flip for a profit. To find out the details of expired domains, there's a website called expireddomains.net. All different domains names are mentioned, which are available to purchase. Other websites that contain information on expired domains include Namejet and JustDrop.com. Now when you're getting started with domain flipping, you want to pick a category, or you want to pick a niche in which the domain is going to be. So on expireddomains.net, you'll notice it says domain search. And by the way, the website is free to sign up. You can just enter your information and create a free account. In the search bar of the domain, when the keyword business is typed, it will show up the names of different domains. The selection should be made with the .coms as they're in the most demand and give the best results. So the list is filtered by .com domain name. It will show the list of all, including those that are pretty expensive. It is advised not to buy expensive domains initially, as it could be risky, and you don't know if it will sell. If you're selling somewhat 10 domains in the range of $12 to $10, it's not risky as the amount is less. After selecting the domain, the next step is to find its worth. For that purpose, you need to go to google.com and type GoDaddy domain appraisal. Search domain and click for the results. For the estimated value of how much that domain name is worth, click on it to get the value. This way you'll know the estimated value for this domain name. If you're patient enough, you could flip domain easily from $10 to $400 or even $500. So let's say you buy one domain name per week on this website. Then you come to this page and get estimated value to find good domain name, and you do this constantly. You'll be slowly going to build up a whole bunch of domain names that you own and you have listed on the marketplace. You won't believe it, but in no time, you'll build up the passive income as they're slowly beginning to sell. The key to this success is patience when selling these domains because they don't sell overnight and will not expire any sooner. Sometimes you will have to wait for a couple of months for this domain to sell, but it will eventually sell if you keep it up there. Sometimes the domain are on auction, so you have to place a bid to compete with others to get the name. So let's say the current bid is $10, you can type $15 and place a bid. If you're the highest bidder, you'll win the bid and get the name. Then the next step you need to do is go onto a website called flipper.com to be able to sell this domain name. Now that there are many different marketplaces where you can sell your domain names, but flipper.com is one of the best trusted websites. If you don't have a free account of Flipper, you just need to go to the website, and the top right hand corner is going to say sign up. You can just sign up with your free Google account, and then you'll have a free Flipper account. Then you need to come here where it says sell now. Click on Sell Now and then go through the process. You'll need to fill out the domain name and the name of your industry and refine your industry. Then click on Continue and then Other. Follow the steps to complete the process. If you face any trouble while listing the domain name, you can simply go to YouTube and watch any tutorial. It will teach you step by step how to list your domain name for sale on Flipper. You could list your domain name for, let's say, $400 or $500. We don't recommend going the appraisal tool and listing it for the same price mentioned there, because oftentimes you don't get the exact amount mentioned there. You'll stay listed forever and ever. It's better to go with the lower amount because you're only picking the domain name up to $10 to $12. You can even do it sometimes with $200, $300, whatever it is, but the key is you'll be getting a lot of money. The more you sell the domains, the more chances your domains will be selected. You'll be earning a great profit from expired domains. You just have to list your domain name and then repeat the same method after a week. It is also possible to make a landing page on the domain site where it will be mentioned that the specific domain is for sale. If interested, you may check out other domain selling sites such as afternick.com, dan.com, Cedo.com, and GoDaddy Auctions. We'll wrap our video here. We hope that you get to learn how to make hundreds of dollars just by selling domains. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Make sure you hit the bell icon to get notification every time we upload another video. Till next time, stay tuned.